Good morning, students. This is Mr. Pijatitis. Today's topic will be present perfect tense. Okay. So, what do you mean by present perfect tense? Something happened, but there is no particular time. Okay. Something happened, but there is no any particular time. So, before going to explain it with the sentence building, I would like to, give you a little bit information about this tense. So, let me write you something and I will explain you also. Remember one thing, that in this tense there is no either we can say that it is not clear that when the action finished, okay, when the action finished. But remember, the action finished or the action completed in present tense. Okay. But there is no any particular date, there is no any particular time. If the action completed and there is no any particular time, either there is no any particular day or there is no any particular date, such case we can say that is present perfect. If there is any indication of yesterday, last year, that means that is past. That means that is past. If there is any indication, the accomplishment of the work, okay, the complete time of the work, such case we can say that past. But if there is no any time, no any date, okay, no any day, so in this way we have to know that this is present perfect. Okay, so it is not clear that when the action finished or when the action completed. Then second point is that in this tense there is no use of. In this tense there is no use of, okay, there is no use of adverb like yesterday, last week, okay, last year, last year, and there are some other, okay, last year, last month, last year. So in this tense we cannot use like this. Yesterday I have completed my homework. It is wrong. Yesterday I completed my homework. Okay. Yesterday I completed my homework. This is right. But if you say yesterday I have completed, I have completed, you have completed, he has completed, he has taken, he has spoken, he has done something, but there is no any day and date. Remember these things. Some other points also are there. Some other points also are there that we need to understand. What are they? What are they? Okay, just wait a little. To indicate complete activities, okay, to indicate complete activities, okay, to complete activities in the immediate past, in the okay, so to indicate complete activities, okay, complete activities, okay. So in this way it is recognized, okay, it will be recognized as present perfect. And second point is, for example, he has just gone out. He has just gone out. Okay. So you can use there just recently, now. This can be used. Okay. When he has, I have just taken, for example, I have just taken. I have just taken my lunch. Okay, just already, something can be used here to express the present perfect. It has just struck 10. It has just struck. It has just struck 10. Okay. So this is the point, and we need to understand to indicate complete activities in the immediate past. In the immediate past. So next class I will use how to use have, has, and also sentence building, but today only theory will be there. Okay. So the next point is there to express past actions. To express past action. To express a past action whose time is not given. Whose time is not given. Means the action has completed, but there is no particular time. That already I mentioned. Okay. And no definite. And not definite. And not definite. As have you read Gulliver's Travels? Have you read? Okay. Have you read any book? Any novel? Any novels? I have never known him to be angry. I have never known him. I have never known him to be angry. To be angry. Okay? To be angry. Mr. Hari has been to Japan. Mr. Hari has been to Japan. These are the examples. Okay, these are the examples. So this point also very important to express past action. Okay, to express past action whose time is not given. Remember, there is no particular time and not definite. There is no time or there is no any definite time. But that is something happened in the past. In this way, we can consider that as for present perfect. If there is time, okay, yesterday, last day, last year, previous day, if there is any time, so that may be lead to what? Past. Okay. For example, here have you read any nouns? Okay. Novels. I have never known him to be angry. Means in this line, there is no any time. There is no any time, but the verb, they are, you see the verb, but the verb is, fully past. Okay, that may be, actually in this way, we have to put their third form of verb, but at the same time, some verbs are in second form of verb also. Okay. At the same time, some verbs are there in a second form and third form, equal verbs also. Next point is there to describe past event. To describe past events. When we think more, when we think more of their effect, of their effect, of their effect in the present than to the in the present, in the present, or then to the action itself, then to the action itself. Okay, to itself. So, for example, Gopi has eaten all the Gopi has eaten all the biscuits. Okay. Biscuits. Gopi has eaten all the biscuits. I have cut my finger. I have cut my finger. I have cut my finger. So, for today, this is enough. Okay. And tomorrow we will discuss that fully sentence building. Okay. At the same time, use of has and have. What is plural helping verb? What is singular helping verb? And what is third form of verb? Because in present perfect we use always third form of verb. So thank you. May God bless you. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and to share your friends and classmates. Thank you. May God bless you.